What go on, big? Alright, baby. Alright, big up yourself. Big up yourself on the work, man.
My friend is a lawyer.
So big up yourself. Me not look nobody. Chew me a tell, chew me a tell. Yeah, look, woman. A woman you want? A woman you want? You not have woman already? You not have woman already? Huh? May I ask you a question? Where you look, woman? Now get one girl. I'm a work hard, see? Jamaican to come America come blood clot work. A Jamaican come America come blood clot work. See me? Work with you, put up your hand, boss. Long cocky boss, put up your hand. Huh? You know you're the hardest worker, man. So you want me? You say you want me? Where say you want me? Me ask if you want me, but me ask me if I know. Eh? Alright, thank you, baby. Come look good in real life, don't. For the girl in the internet, you say me ugly, me look terrible. They never see me in real life. Put your finger up and tell him to suck it off for you. Suck off him finger for him. Suck off him finger for him and leave me alone. Alright, baby, I love you. Alright. No, I get the water. The battery low, the cut off, the battery low. Battery low, man. Yeah. Battery low. Oh Lord. You get him say me look good in real life, so I don't care nobody want to talk, say. Because they never see go see the face and see the camera and the neck and the ear and the makeup. That's all they see. They never see me like see my face, my body, my whole thing from me like a human being. Them see me like a alien and then they want to get mad. Them brighty. Some of them throat now get rest, brother. It a rain at the door now. Boy, it a rain at the door now. Some of them throat very busy. Some of them throat very busy at this time. Me reach home, but me I walk right to the corner and walk, come back round. And I can walk through the front, but I'll cut off the phone, I'll cut off. And I walk through the next side. When I go get fishing because we're going to the hallway, sometimes the phone cut off. Yeah, but some of them throat busy in the rain, yeah. Boy, them throat busy, some of them suck and suck. Me know how them tongue not get tired. Your tongue can get tired. What kind of flowers them? I never seen my flowers before. At the garden, this is where I live. This is where I live now. Yeah, you see the building there? Won't be for long, but I'm there now. And so on. Because, you know, I love life. Look at these plants. I think these are man-made flowers. I've never seen this kind. They make all kind of sitting and design, all kind of sitting. Design that one day with small leaf, and design the one with skinny leaf and purple flowers. This one have purple flowers plant up too. Yeah. One time I do one life, me want one life and go live on the grass under the life. But I know that would be detrimental. We have to move instantly, go trouble people in land. I think they're easy over here. They don't play that shit. They don't play it, but that's the gate they go on and go on. They say building go all the way down the side, say one that. All the way down, all the way down, all the way. It's very big and go we are on the next block. Very, very big. Yeah, it's the intersection. Like a practice, intersection. Open up the intersection and make a car park. Bitches. You know, when they hate me, I just curse them. Because I know they love when I curse them. That's the only way they try to do better when I curse them. Like when their mother cursed them, like when my mother cursed me. Yes, and I curse them back. Yeah, of course. Why not? She cursed me, I must say she me get the cussing from. Because the way she cussed me like dog, when I could have cussed me like this. I mean, I ain't do anything to deserve it. And then she called me phone like bill collector. Me nah answer your woman. Don't cost me phone, me say no. Don't cost me because I'm not going to answer. I call me, money they come take care of me, me they really sick for you, you know. And this and I say, lady, God bless you, you have a good one. And me not answer my phone till 10. She call like a bill collector. She must know nobody know. Well, me gone. You know me always, you hit me and me run for years. So that's why I go. You hit me and I kept fucking running for years. Hi mommy and auntie, sorry I'm not supposed to curse so much when you're on. I love you too. To Stacy mom. You know, she's a child of God. She's a child of God. Oh yeah. But I cream on the foot them last night and it get brown, but you know look good, you want a pedicure. Damn them, she look terrible. But it get white overnight. One night I see the foot them black look. Put the cream on the last. See it? And by morning, I saw it look. Miracle cream, box it on your front, make man want you. I'm afraid of my pussy a long time. I don't use my pussy and I'm afraid over the gum. So I'm afraid over my sitting. I'm afraid over my gum. So I use a long time and I say, well, she have the gum then it's sweet. Because she have the gun, the pack up, so I can talk about old foot and this and I don't know, we should not have the fucking pussy me have. Because trust me, black and ugly and look inside the pink and pretty like my lipstick. Like a lipstick the pan. And it's not Kool-Aid. So I'm bother with it. And if it's Kool-Aid over the period of years, I mean, so die, it stay die, so that's good. Fucking shit. Ain't good, eh? You used to die the pussy, stay ready because you've been dying it like the meat in the fucking supermarket. To get some of that meat die, will go even better. My mother wasn't nice. Take your time. God, you have to take your time, Oh, God. You don't pay nothing and you get any help. If you take your time and people in place. Very respect. You want. You know what I mean? Hell yeah, dog. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Gosh, you know what? I just realized something. Oh, it's there. The money lady giving out number there. And so on, my child, my dearest child. Oh, my loved ones, my loved ones, my loved ones. I love you too. I'll make this salad. I'm not gonna know. One man sitting and drop out of the bag. I tried to buy it. But wait, I don't want to drop out of the bag. I two. Yes. One, so one more. So one day, so one of them run and drop out. So I forgot this. I know spot what they said. I can't find it. I know me here sitting drop on the roll and I don't see it. I don't see one, so I must one of them. But I don't see it no way. But I want this a dopey. I don't see it no way. Because the corner that thing not out here. Gosh, I tell you. Okay, I'll eat it too. Buy 3 for 1 gun. I must say dopey take it. Oh, see one here? My black bag tie up. Good, very good. That's what this sitting here and burn up the battery. Next one now is the app. Yeah, man, you know this is ginger. I want to call it a salad. I want to call it a salad for my sushi. So I can be comfortable. I'm not going to be comfortable unless I get the salad. I'm not even from what you need it for my face. Face look terrible. Use a side here for making the salad. Come next side for bleaching cream. I like these. I like them, yeah. I like them and I up here. Let me get them here. I like the sauce, I'm going to put on it. I cake up so. I like cake up so. Sauce. But I probably not going to use it, but we can get something buy when I Chinese, we can buy some sauce from them, but sauce? I like the sauce, but you get to go buy sushi, I like the sauce bad, trust me. Because I just wash my hand and then get black. See? So my hand gets so black. My hand gets so black when I use that no good. Sometimes I feel the bleaching soap in here. The bleaching soap, whitening soap. Take one little piece, wash my hand. My hand gets so black. I wash my hand, trust me. Yeah. You know, my nails broke off this morning. So bleaching so powerful. One little teeny piece you take out of the container. Just a little piece and you need a lot. Just a little piece. Strong. Your skin white and pretty. A little piece. You still have a little piece. You got a little piece. See there? That's small. Just a little touch. And look there. Wash out the full of cream. Cream and shea butter. Lift Jesus higher, a little higher. And from this earth to eternity. Clean the poly pipe. Send down the rain. Send down the rain. Send down the gospel rain. Send down the rain, send down the gospel rain. It's coming down, 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 it's coming down. Bleach out my plate. And the glory of the Lord is coming down. When the saints began to pray, and the Lord shall have it way. And the glory of the Lord is coming down. Coming down, down, down. Oh, when the saints began to pray, on the Lord shall have his way. My grandmother used to do it like that. And first. Oh, when the evil start to play, but God will show you the way. There's only so much chemical they can put in this. Only so much. Can't put as much as you can put in a donut them, you know. You can't put as much like when you put in the donut them at all. Can't. Yeah, man. I need this shit. Trust me, I need it. It's more than a week. Then I get no kale. I get other treasure to rope. Then I get no kale. Can't get no satisfaction. Can't get no reaction. All I try. No, I can't get no so one girl on YouTube was sing message Jesus Christ. And she really take it serious, you know. Upon rapper papa. When you rapper papa, my friend rapper crapper. The girl that sing, me say my God, and she take it serious, me know, sir. When I blonde here, if you see it, you laugh till you're fucking dead. And she really thinks that she can't sing. I never tell nobody say me can't sing. But when they go up on the and they can't sing and then have music, a beat, I go with it too, beat. You have a nerve, you have a fucking nerve. Bleaching cream on the damn pipe and I wash off. Damn bleaching cream there on the pipe and you better wash out while I'm wrong side with the cream. Can't get no satisfaction. Fuck. Don't forget the lime. Get the lime, Baba. Gotta get the lime. And I'm still adjusting more, so. Well, that's how I go. Remember, I didn't cut it in, see. Sorry. food look like? Give me extra, that's good. Right now I'm looking good, dog. Right now I'm happy. Battery low, goodie. Battery low. Yeah, battery low. If I come back later, battery low, but damn. Kitchen floor sitting drop on the floor. The sushi sitting menu sitting as I wash my hand, everything I touch my wash. God, this one I gotta eat now. This one I gotta eat now. This is what I eat every day, this kind of food, every day. I don't eat fried chicken. I don't eat French fry. I don't eat McDonald's. I don't eat Burger King. I don't eat Redhead Wendy. Redhead Wendy. I don't Redhead Wendy. I don't eat her. And I don't eat Chinese food. I also don't eat white bread. I also don't eat white rice from the store. I also don't drink soda. I also don't drink full around in the juice. Once now my drink, some of the juice with lemon was advertised me by me. Instead of just in my fridge, I don't eat for months now. I mostly water me drink. Alright, so I have some kale with some apple and they call this pear. Look at the dressing. I have some healthy rice with some avocado, fried shrimp, sushi. It's cooked, it's fried. The shrimp fried in there. See shrimp there? The rice. Good stuff. Tastes really nice. This one is fish. And this is yellowtail fish. It's a fish eggs. It's very expensive. It's fish egg. And some people say I'm eating caviar, but this is a fish egg. Caviar is quite different. This is a fish egg. And yeah, I like these. This is how I like them. Tastes really good. So inside, you're gonna find they have different kind of vegetable and like a piece of raw fish inside that's not cooked. See? This one got a little piece of raw fish, but I love this flavor. It tastes really good. But then put a small piece of fish. Don't put that amount that they usually put in the whole fish. A little teeny piece. You could keep the flavor, not too much raw fish. I don't like. That's what this is. The fish eggs. The eggs from the fish sprinkled all over it. Right there. So, yeah. And then we're going to eat that. So I'm good to go with that. So that's what I'm going to eat right now. And then we're good to go. So I love you guys. I charge your phone up and I come back and talk to you. Thank God we're on. We can talk later. That's the most important thing. I love you. Have a blessed day. Go out and get you some kale, some apple, get you some wishbone salad dressing, lime, lemon or lime. Anyone you have, squeeze on it. Just try to go more green. Forget about the fried chicken inside of KFC, Popeyes, and other places only rotting out the inside and giving you cancer. You understand? Your body cannot maintain and grease and oil every day. And I know we all have the big butt, I lose a lot of my ass, but I'm satisfied with the amount I still have. You know, it's better than nothing. It's better than eating all this with fried chicken. It's a bad old chicken and fried chicken. Some people have old chicken and fried for the day before, and they warm it up the next day and give to you. When you buy chicken, you know, and all this old nasty thing and where the chicken come from. So just start going more green. I mean, people can afford this, but not everybody can afford it. You know, because this right here is like $40 something, $45, call it $45. Just for this, for the 3-piece, yeah. So, you know, in some places they charge more. They give me a good deal. I like how the price is reasonable. Believe me, compared to some place we get this, they charge a lot more. So that's what I like. Well, you know, they give me stinking when the last time I still go back for the sushi for them and tell them, you know, and then they give me something free, but I'm not buying no cook food from them. I can't help the sushi because the world I go, the sushi not good like for them. You understand? I try. I stop in front for a long time, but you know, yeah. So. When you're eating the fried chicken and you're eating all these things, it might taste good to you and all that, but remember it's just grease you put in your body. And the fried chicken not nice to make you healthy, not at all. The end of the day you have high blood pressure, diabetes, you have cancer in your blood, too much fried chicken and all that. So
So I'm try to do this because my son said, Mommy, I really want to see you live long. You know, you're my mother and I love you. And trust me, he enforce it, he enforce it, he enforce it, he enforce it. He does. It's like what you eat today. It's like, Ma, what you eat today? Bad mind. You shake off bad mind like this. And then yam them. Bad mind, shake off the something. You eat them, but you have to get them off. And then yam them. No. When God did make me, he gave me 5 forks. This is a fork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much did a fork have? 5? My 5 did a fork have? How much this have? How much? My 5? That's class. You have a nerve. When you take on a suck dick and hold when you take fork and fucking hold the dick and suck his sneaking dick in the mouth, when you do use fork. Leave me and then wash. That run down fork. What long look that fork for? God make me with fork, God make me fucking hand. You born me with no fork. Fucking out there. Like the fucking beast, them things I got change. The fucking, me not change for no more beast. The fucking beast. But I can talk about far, right? In African people, man, you them do so. And you need it, and the next one come. And all them hand the same thing. Whole hand. Everybody name for the same thing. And me one name for this. And you put on the thinking mouth. And you dip it back in the same thing. And the next one put in the thinking mouth. And the one name the same thing, think up. I don't do that, man. I'm the one name this. I'm in the fact. God to the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So why should I want fork? Why should I want fork when God to the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want? You shall not want. He makes everything for your body to survive. God wants fork. John water, right? Damn weak, I'm almost. I'm really sweet for you. Bow week, but fucking fuck, sorry about that. You didn't talk about fat, I'm not with fat. You Jamaica never blood clot fat, fat industrial place can't afford fat. You and boiled crab, wild banana, yam. Sometimes food out in the yam, blow pan it and put it in my mouth. And you clean up the plate, clean is on it, much better. Clean up everything. Some more water. Can you make it fat? And fat are going to cancer. You just make me see it then. My joy and pride then, so if you watch them, look kind of pretty. I'm going to eat them. I try the case like a judge. Who's going to go down first? I think she will. She's the smallest amount. And so on. Water and exercise. Do them the Saturday, I smoke a spliff. Drink some water and work out. I don't work out, I just tackle them there. Just tackle them and beat up them blood clots one by one. My name is Sushi, when you will fuck and pussy big. When you will fuck your pussy so big and stink. Hmm? Mm-mm. Why? Hmm? Hmm? What else? She disgusting when she messy. When I open them pussy and the food at custard, then I say it's disgusting. Hmm? Jam with water and brand. When they pass them place, man. Mm-mm. Mm. Very hard. Them. Very hard. What about fuck? I can't keep the fuck in here. Bad more no one. And you come up me a bad more put the titty in my mouth. I start bad. I make grow teeth, I can't suck my mother breast no more. I can't use my hand them to feed myself. Let me know so why. Too much fat there. I don't care about them for me buy them. Yeah, a piece of week I fall on my fucking food, a piece of ear in my fucking salad. Fucking shit. I don't like to hate them fucking wigs, man. Hate wigs. Berry? Fucking wigs. Hey, Berry. You eat my food. That's my wig, so I'm not going to eat it. Now that she might serve a piece of wig. She might. But you're not human here. I want no human ear wig in my food. Piece of plastic where I can melt. No plastic make it up. I want a human ear come from somebody have age or somebody was sick or sitting and dead and they take off the ear and sell it and me tell the food and me drop in my food. No, I'm going to talk about. Huh? I know. Sometimes when I eat my mouth, I make nice sound like some big old yellow fuck. And push I make nice sound like big. The man nice eat them from far in the next room. Can you push a ball for the next room? I go to a saggy. Me them pussy ball all the way. You talk about the remote machine. A lot of people don't realize the remote is a machine. Like a blender. You realize the remote is a blender, they don't realize that. Oh. Well, you just click now, that's enough, you know. That's enough. For now. These fuckers here going back in the bag. I'm them joy and pride them. I don't want to touch them yet. I pray them and talk with them and then eat them. Sacrifice them. But I'm not ready yet. I'm going to put the phone for charge. I love you. I'm not give a fuck if I'm not going to have 9 million. I'm going to have 9 million. 6 minutes of cream over there, so you can't use nothing over there, so. We use a side here, can mix cream on the other side. Otherwise, everything tastes like cream. I know. Well, you know what? If I come in like a pig, that's good. At least I don't eat pig meat. But y'all motherfucker want to call me a pig and you still eat pig meat. Who's the dumb one? Why would you want to eat a pig? You want to curse me as a pig, but you still eat pork chops? Bitch. And I'm busy with them. It's a mouth machine, your body fuck. I put something in there dissolve quick. A little bit of greens left. I can finish this later. I know as I run. Need to smoke now. Put this phone to charge so I could get back to y'all. But I need a long glass of water now. Poison water coming on alkaline water. Yeah, food so sweet, my nose run. It's like when bud take your crotch is wet. Sweet, man. Nose run. Battery done, goodie. Love you, battery done. Yeah, I'm going to put the phone for charge and so and then come back here. You can rain and fall at the door. Yeah, I want to talk to some of these big pussy bitches. I want to glue up them all today for them. I sweat up. I put some Gorilla Glue in it. Extra strength Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue. You don't know Gorilla Glue, don't you? Yeah. My bitch. That's who I am. That's why I don't care if a man want me. I ain't tell nobody I'm looking for nobody. I want to live free. I have a man before I run go Belgium, before I run go hide and take time and squeeze and kill myself. Because I grind me. No, but I come. Whoop, let me belch when he come. That was a good belch, ain't it? Good. I could have died without that damn greens, I tell you. Those green eat a spot that nobody could. Hallelujah. Bad man fucking B said, bitch. Like she's this and she's that. Me I look man. And if me I look man, a good man me want. So don't worry about me. When you waste my time, me still don't want nobody. And me get somebody in the future, which me nah look. I God alone me I look for right now. Me know woman that get up in this world I look body now and I look God. At this time everybody I wash out. Some of these girl big pussy I make the place wash out. At the next time I come. Because them pussy so big it attract the storm and pull the storm over here. A lot of them in Antigua too, they pull a lot of storm there, say, but thank God Stacy never died. Nor our parents or our family. Because them bitches, they pussy pulling wind, they just suck it in, fucking suck that shit, goddamn. Pussy sucking the air like a motherfucking storm. You wanna come over here and fucking every time they come I curse them, I let them stay and I curse them some more. And then you're gonna black you, baby. No. I need to suck my twat. I need you to suck my twat for me. Thank you. You're so welcome, my loved one. Bright and hot harder. This disgusting bastard. Yeah. You call them the hurricane pussy. Them suck the hurricane right by you. And when they start take your man, they want to come bring hurricane in your house and turn your man against you. A hurricane pussy their name. They only have suction to suck it in, but then can't keep it after a while. They will have to keep traveling to someone else. Traveling to somewhere else. Yeah. And you understand? God damn, that green hit something that nobody needs. Like you hit a goal. God damn it, that ball was good. Yeah, I love you too.
Nice big tongue, but in a wipe nobody body head like fucking clot. Now tell me say nice like you want to wrap your body head. Me not comfort nobody head with my tongue like towel, like young baby in a towel or blanket. I stop it. Not do it no more. You take your tongue and you wipe it and you lap your tongue and make a man feel so comfortable. You don't disrespect you. No, sir. No, baby, go find somewhere else to put your egg first. Find somewhere to put your head for shelter, honey. Not this tongue. I go fucking roll up my tongue like a blood clot chop all in for bad weather for catch rain. And you turn and disrespect me? No, no, no. No, thank you. I love you guys, though. The tongue might be big, but it's not for that purpose. It's big to eat and to swallow and to belch and let out the bad air. That's why the tongue did and to talk tone. You know, they don't for another purpose. Why man they want to take your tongue? They want to take your mouth lip. They want to take your tongue. They want to take your vagina. Want to take your body hole. What left? God damn y'all. Fucking gas is kind of stubborn. Ah, shit. Come on, I could feel you want to come up. God damn gas. Fucking stubborn gas. You hear the two of them come up, poop like a gunshot. They don't want to come up. Come on, figure about them. Come on, I can feel you. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on, I'm serious. Fucking thing feel uncomfortable. Come on. Let's go, man. Let's go. Stop wasting time. I think I have to beat piece of that ginger and get a hot cup of ginger tea before I eat anything else. I should have done that first. I can't feel the gas in my belly, man. A bit come up, but more is still there. Yeah. I'm gonna do the ginger. I'm gonna beat a piece of ginger. The ginger will sit in the room and boil. I'm gonna add a cup of ginger, and then I'm gonna give a cup of ginger tea and sugar, because you know use the sugar and the honey run out, so I'm going to have to drink it without the sugar, which is not a problem. So I'm gonna beat up the ginger and boil that. Make me a nice long spliff. And then after that, I tackle these sushi, because I go to one tray them real fast, them done. But you quit the whole sack of them done, so I don't really worry about it too much. The salad is all left with the salad, a little bit, not much. A little bit left, that's it, a bit. As I walk past here, I see you're out here. In the kitchen, I go in the room and put on music. Yeah, when people place and they have a stranger come live in there and not pay, that's crazy. Alright, I go okay, ending this without the knives. Get the ginger. I'm gonna get the ginger and beat the ginger shit. Get the ginger. Cause last night I never eat nothing. I was hungry one night. The belly that hurt me, I'm hungry because what happened? Intro I can't stay for later. The reason what happened now, the sushi wasn't the way I eat it, you know, make it with the things so I couldn't get nothing to eat. And so I couldn't get nothing to eat. So that's what happened. Sorry about that. Do you have my hand touching? Every time I hand do this and it costs for dark. Sorry. Can't see me still? Shit. Every time and the battery I go low, the battery I go good, I love you. I go make the tea, the battery I go, it shut off, to get dark, it shut down. Love you. I come on later. You hear? Let me try to get $1 before me leave. Yeah. I notice something, but I don't say nothing to nobody. I watch for the next hour or next 2 hours, and I just go in and block. I know what I'm talking about. I wait for that one special person because I know something not right. You know? I'm going to talk the truth and cause it what it will. I'm not going to let nobody hate me and don't know the story. I make sure everybody know how things go. Understand? I'm an idiot. Love you all. Yeah, I love it too. So I'm gonna plug it in. Or the ginger, they go beat the piece of ginger sitting going to die. I love it, Stacy from Antigua. Big up yourself. Tell mommy have a blessed day. Daddy, hope everything is well with you guys. I know it's well with you because you passed the storm and you have your house and everything's still there. So God is always with you now. You're good people. You know me from Adams, so you try to help me. I was really going through a lot. Then I get the $50 you send for me and call and tell me. Make even tell you how glad I was for $50. I not lie. I can't forget good people. That's why I stayed the whole night last night till past the storm. I never get no sleep, so I've been up since yesterday because that's the past the storm with my friend. I can't fucking have your friends like them there. And I'm a friend to you. Like, no, I don't for go and throw on the thing. And anybody in Florida who can call me. For feeling low this time, I go and please call me. Me log on back later, because I go there, I go exercise and sit, I want to know I'm doing well. Before I call Rose, I talk to Rose since morning. She said the water them sell out of Florida, the water them sell out and stuff. They raise up the price all upon the thing. She was trying to come to New York. They want $1,000 to a flight from Florida to New York. I said $1,000 from Florida to New York? That's like a Jamaica fee. She was trying to leave out of this town and come here. Them raise up the price upon the ticket them. $1,000 to come to New York from Florida. That's too much. That's really a lot of money. $1,000 from Florida to New York. That's too much. Same price of water mention. Yeah, so I saw that go. I saw it go, Baba. So last night I stayed the whole night up and I didn't sleep. I go to bed this one about after 3. I'm still kind of tired on my face. If you look at my face, I'm still kind of tired, guys. But that's why I said, make sure I eat good today. And I'm not going to work out because it's good to get workout. Workout to bring me back up and strengthen me up back and I'm going to sleep. You understand? The ginger. One put on, the next one put on. What's this one live in a bathroom for 2 hours on phone and chat and something. When people want shit, just don't pan 2 hours on bathroom and they chat on phone. And your room they close to the bathroom, if you carry the phone with music in there with you. It's crazy. Somebody say something wrong with that, trust me. You're in a place in your own apartment, you can't stay in the bathroom. You have 2 hours, enough for your place. Other people live in there. You have 1, 2, 3 other people live in there. Man, these bitches not easy now, so I want to mash them blood clot can, because they're not easy now, in bad mind. I'm at this smells of this. When anybody attack them, I reach for this, I'm sorry for them. No, this house. Anyway, I'm not a blender. Stacey said she bought me a neutral bullet. I know I could have buy one. But I see it in my apartment and I don't put money right now. Somebody thinks I'm not rich or something. I'm not rich. I got it. I don't have it. I don't have it. Right? I'm not rich. I'm not rich or else. It's like a bag, an hammer. Check it out. Oh yes. The ginger for tomorrow. Oh god damn it, for tomorrow. I can't believe this one. I can't put in a thing. If tonight it was spoiled. I will leave it out. So let it go hot then now, boil up. That boil up now, I'm good to go with that. And then I bust the gas, because the gas, more gas won't come up. The gas them won't come up, man. The gas them don't, so I want clean up. I'm not cooking as if I want to, so I need to look so. All them plate and sitting here sitting out of cream, I mixing them before.
I'm getting the plastic container now. The big jar that I can mix cream in now. So I really cook in here like that. Because it's too much chemical and sitting there with the cream and this and that. See cream pan is more to do man still up and so I wipe off. Cream still up and so I wipe up. Pan this a cream wash out all of these stuff. I'm not cooking because when I cook the food, yes waste. I still not take it, my body still not take it. So I instead of waste so much money buying them food, I'm not eating. Sometimes I have to cook how long I never cook. I get the time sometimes. Sometimes I cook me but I want to eat. I eat I take a spoonful, but I want it. So I'm not about to kill myself. Whenever I cook. You understand me? I have rice left from the last time, healthy rice, they can't cook. I have a pack of healthy cornmeal I buy, see there? $4 for it from the health store, see there? I have more rice to cook. I go to the pop show when I open it. So I have things can't cook now. I have some lens. Then the flour I use to make the shrimp dumpling. Still have some from the last time, same way. When I open it and all something. And this means with my cereal already, some might left. I love this. With the coconut milk. I make some like tomorrow morning. The porridge, I love this. Yeah, it's like cereal. From the health store. Everything is healthy grains and stuff. So, like then I cook up and then, you know? Yeah. Yeah. You like my art? Yeah. I have so much necklaces and pieces. You don't know that. So many pieces. The amount of necklaces I have now, I don't wear them. Enough, all different kinds. I have this in a red and I have this in a pink. And I have it in a blue. So just for sure, no? Yeah, all kind of crazy piece. I just love madness. I just love the... But it's a heart. The art is for you. I love you. Yeah. Well, right now it's hot. I can boil up because I want to get the strength out of the ginger. I'm going to roll a big head. I love you, no? And put on my tights and start working out. My knee for some working out. At least a little. So I drink the ginger so I get some working out done, guys. I got to pay attention to what I'm doing. And you know, I do music, I write song and I'm sitting there. When the phone charge me, come back on later. I go down like a break and tell them I love you know, and I can come on also and get ready in Florida. Please, don't let me get disappointed now. No? Alright, come on, swing up and laugh and talk. You know, somebody dead off, I go them dead off. Now I feel good. So, you understand? Because that's wrong. You know what I mean? That's not right. You know what I mean? That's buckle if you're not wicked, no worries. If you're wicked, oh God, you have to worry if you're wicked, I hope you. If you recover up and spend and take them man and I hope you don't do all kind of wickedness right now, it's time I come for you. There's no way out. No matter where you buckle up, you're going to get you. No matter where you buckle and shield, it must find you. Get to blood clot wicked. I go to text me last night, I said, this time I come, I'll let me God have mercy upon us. I said, well, go there, God have to do what I have to do, because some way too wicked and terrible, and bad mind and atheists and don't love God. So I have to do what I have to do. So you just buckle up. When him come to me, I buckle up to what I have faith in him. I'm not afraid. I have the whole building a move. I just say, God, it's your time. It's your time. It's just the time now. I tell you, so when you have God in your heart, you really try to do better and try to do it clean. You're not afraid. When God come, you go down and laugh. When everything I mash up around you, you go down and smile. Because you know where you're there with God. People don't know the kind of feelings the way you feel like. Imagine I got in the shower yesterday and the devil said to me, said, you know you're horny. Why don't you just masturbate and get it over with? And I said, no, Satan is not going to tempt me like that. I said, God is with me. And me fight it off. My being me come out and me say, you know I got to shower this man, the devil try again. Why don't you do it? You know, it's so sweet. Do it, man. You're going to feel so great because you're not been doing anything, you know. I say, Satan is a liar. I say, get behind me. I will not, because I want the Holy Spirit live up in my heart. I would not go down there. You nasty son of a bitch. You understand me? I have to go Satan sometime. You're wicked and hateful. When you want to do now, I want me put my mind on that now, because I've been praying a lot. You know, I mean, and the Holy Spirit I come in my heart. So when you want me to do now, masturbate and think about some man or something, which is sin, to put my mind that way. And that way, you know, I feel. I'm not going to feel happy about myself no more. I'm not going to feel so good. Because why would I do something like that? Well, that him I try to set me up for. Not me, Satan. Try somebody else. Try them dirty worrying girl who want to cuss me. Try them. They will go feed, not me. Well, the ginger is boiling. Like what some bitch boiling, heart boiling. Some of them heart are boiling for me, you know.
Some of them heart a boil for me like how the ginger boil in the pot. They heart a boil up same way for me. Like how you see the ginger boil in the pot. And they heart a boil up. Look how they heart a boil up more. Look there. Gosh. Eh? You see it? And so in the heart a boil up. But in the ginger in there. And information. They will boil up their heart. And so their heart, you see, sitting bubble up. And then, and so their heart a boil up. But if you notice, I get a lot of the eating one them. Man, I get a lot of them. I find them a lot of them. I find a lot of the redhead them. And then just take time and disappear. Yes, because when I find somebody say something bad about me and somebody press like with one finger up, that means they agree with the person against you. So when you go over there, you realize they are your friends. They never think of your thing and then put like when the person across you. So you go, and when you go to them now, you unfriend them. You unfriend feed them friend with them having a feed them box where you're a friend too. You cut out the one of them because at them, you know, say, hope I eat face not so much like one time. Yeah, me catch up on for them and shut them down. And the hurricane must blow out some of them. And some of them wicked them hide. But they go and find them. They don't want to come up on the keyboard now because they're afraid. Some of them wonder how they're going to make it now because they pay them rent and no food. It's time I come. The whole stock might come off. You know? Landlord, I got to tell them to find somewhere else to live because, you know, boy, I tell you. So they don't have time to come and show them ready today. Then go on to Wendy's with that. I tell you. But I'm here to fight the battle because God is going to make me a winner. Child, let me go and exercise my body so I can get dainty for myself and for you. And drink a little ginger tea. God knows my face ignorant and tired. But it's worth it to stay up all night through the storm. To make sure my people will love me. Alright, and comfortable and try to comfort them so they won't. Because Stacey was scared. And you can hear the wind through the phone. I realized, I was like, shit. But I was like, calm down, don't worry, you know. She said, Olivette, I feel so much better because I was so scared since I was coming from work. But talking to you, she was even laughing. I giving her a joke and I was laughing so much. And it was a pleasure. I like to make people happy. I don't care if people want to say about me. I'm fucking with me because I get ignorant. That's the time they say I'm a bad person. But I was not a bad person before that, Goody. You know I was not a bad person until you make me bad. So don't complain when I get bad because you wanted me to be bad and you calling me out like you're calling full figure them grain a can. Before already come out. Anyway, let me go along. My love, you know. I think there's one more set of vegetables for me to eat them. So I could get